This is the Meerkat with the trade of the day from the Grok day trading chat room. And yes, I am the Meerkat. I got my Meerkat shirt on today. Let's do a very unique pattern here. It's called the death hook. That's right. So here's the setup. We are in a symmetrical triangle in this case, and it breaks out. Cool. You would normally want to go long on that one, right? But look at the volume. It popped up initially, but then very tiny volume here. This is the setup. It sucks you in and gets you long. Now let's see what happens next. Bam, it starts to fall, and then look at it fall, and look at the volume coming in. It's falling, falling, falling. Look at how much the volume is increased here. And then now it's right above that 200 moving average. So again, this video is not so much about the trade as it was about this pattern. So you might have gotten sucked in going long here. Suddenly it's starting to fall, and it's starting to fall with increasing volume. That's the death hook, folks. So I went ahead and I set a trade just below this 200 moving average, and this was on a nickel increment here. So at every 5 cents it was moving, and then bam, bam, I'm now short at 17.95 after it broke down below the 200 moving average. So let's see where we went from there, and managing my stop just above that 200 moving average, and it based here for a little while, then dropped again, bringing my stop down into break even. And then it's still falling, falling, falling. Look at that all the way down here. Whoo, doggies, we're really moving now. And now, so I'm bringing my stop down, bringing it down here just above the 8 EMA, and it pops up, and I'm out at 17.20. So let's take a look at this whole trade. Again, a symmetrical triangle. You'd want to go long. It did break out, but on slow volume as compared to it started to fall. And look at how big the volume got as it was falling, falling, falling. Then when it bounced up and broke that 8 EMA, I was out for a total trade of 4.1% in 25 minutes. Now this was in pre-market, so it's not included in our day trading statistics. And so let's take a look. What did we do today in the Grok day trading chat room? We only had 7 trades, but we were 85% success rate today. And again, we traded this RXDX many more times during the day, and you can see for some very big bucks here. We ended up with 14%. Again, our goal is 5% on risk, and 10% is our stretch goal. So man, we almost hit both of those combined here today. And with our model portfolio of $10,000 per trade, that is about $1,400 that we made in 2 hours today. But you say, oh, but Mark, you only show the good days. Well, let me show you yesterday. Yesterday wasn't quite as good as far as that performance. So yesterday we had 10 trades, and we were just a 5 out of 10 as far as making money on. But look how I cut my losers short yesterday. I had 3 break-even trades. Can't cut your losers any shorter than that, right? And then we had 1 big trade, and then the rest were all pretty tiny. Oh, I'm sorry, we had 2 big trades here, a 4% and a 2%. So for the day yesterday, we ended up at 7.6%, exceeded our 5% goal, but still at only 50% success rate. And if you want to join us, you can. Just go to groktrade.com. That's right, groktrade.com, and go to day trading chat room, the day trading chat room, and right here we have a webinar. We got a couple of them scheduled this week. If you'd like to at least check it out, we're going to give you a couple of secrets as to the success of day trading, and give you an opportunity to get into the room for a really special deal. I can't believe Des is giving it away like that, but that's okay. Go ahead and click here and register now. If you want to read more about it before the webinar, right down here tells you what we do, how we prepare, and you can see the trades that we've done here in the last couple of days. And I show those live, but I am here we are. Join now. You can do it there, or I would recommend you go to that webinar first. You may get a better deal. Mark the Meerkat here. Hey, by the way, I have a new trading assistant. That's right, a new apprentice working with me. His name is Milo. It's Milo the trading kitty. Here he is, isn't it? I guess that makes him a Meerkat. Have a great day and trade well.